I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Safari tab groups on iPhone. So let's say, for instance, I have one tab open here, and I'd like to add another tab. We'll press the plus button right here, and I'm just going to go to apple.com. Now that I have these two tabs open, I'm going to click the bottom right button with the two squares, and then I'm going to click the three lines at the bottom middle. Then it will give me an option at the very bottom here to click New Tab Group with two tabs. I'll click that, and then I can name this tab group whatever I'd like. In this example, I'm going to use test, and I'll click save. Now I have a group of tabs that you can see here at the bottom labeled test, and if I'd go to a different group, I click, let's say, start page or private or whatever other group of tabs that I might have. Now you're all set to add more tabs and just keep all of these grouped together based on whatever particular criteria you want. If you want a specific travel group of tabs or anything like that, you're all set.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.